Back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can transfer USDT from your one Binance account into your another Binance account. First step, make sure you open Binance in like multiple browser, because if you think like you can open one Binance account over here, open another tab, go to Binance, open another one, you can't. You can only open one Binance account on like one browser. If you want to open multiple Binance accounts, you can use other browser. So I use Brave browser as my secondary browser, but you can use whichever browser you want. My first is Chrome, the second is Brave. Alright, first step, you want to go to the Binance account where you want to receive the crypto. So this is the Binance account where I want to receive USDT. Now once I'm over here, I'm gonna go on wallet and go on overview. Now once I'm on overview, I can go on versus deposit and choose crypto deposit. Now once I'm over here, what I can do is select USDT. I can click on select coin and select USDT. But remember, since I have not yet verified my account, I cannot see the address of USDT. But you guys have verified your Binance account, then you can come to this page and you can click on select coin and select USDT and copy the address of USDT. And when you're copying the address of USDT, make sure to see like which address it is, like Ethereum address, Binance Smart Chain address, Bitcoin address. Like there's like different kind of network as well. So see the network and copy the address. Once you do that, on the next step, you want to go to your Binance account from where you want to send USDT. So right now, this is my Binance account from where I want to send it, not receive but send. Once I'm over here, I can go on wallet and go on overview. Now once I'm over here, I can click on withdraw, and over here it's going to be Bitcoin by default. So make sure to click on it and choose USDT, because that's what we want to transfer. And where's this address? Paste the address of Tether which you copied from your other Binance account. Once you paste it over here, where's this network? You want to choose which network it belongs to. As I said, when you're copying the address, make sure to check like which network it belongs to. Alright, so mine belongs to BSC, so I'm going to choose BSC. Click on yes, I'm sure. And over here you can choose which wallet you want to use, your spot wallet or your funding wallet. Choose the wallet which you want to use and enter the amount of USDT you want to send and click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, this much amount of USDT is going to be transferred to this address. So this address belongs to my other Binance account, so my USDT is going to be transferred to my another Binance account. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can transfer USDT from one Binance to another. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.